Hello everyone, my name is Ryson and you guys are watching Rysfix. And in this video I am going to show you how to replace Piaggio Vespa's front brake shoes. So it is going to be a very interesting video guys. So see that you like the video now only, and if you are coming on this channel for the first time, then see that you subscribe. So come on, let's start the video. Now as you guys can see that I have already taken out the brake cable nut. This will be like this, and on top of that cable there will be a nut. That nut you will have to take out and your brake cable will be released like this. Once you release the brake cable, the next thing that you will have to do is you will have to take a screwdriver like this, and on top of the nut there will be a cap like this. This cap you will have to pry out like this. So here comes out my cap. See that you keep the cap in a safe place, and once you take out this cap you will notice that there is a nut inside. Now this nut will need a 22 mm socket. So take a 22 mm socket, use a long pipe, and by making use of a long pipe, see that you loosen this nut. So here my nut is loose already. Once this nut is loose, rotate this nut and take it out completely. Now on this scooter there is only one shock in front. You guys must have noticed it already, and it is very good to work on this bike guys. It is designed only in such a way that you will get nicely to work on this bike. So once you take out this nut, you can pull the tire out easily like this. Now once you take out the tire, you will notice your brake shoes. Now how easily we have reached here, you guys have experienced it already. Now this brake shoes will be locked with two clip locks. You will have to make use of a plier and you will have to pull these clips out like this. As you guys can see, here comes out my one clip. The clip looks something like this. There are two clips like this. So pull these clips out first. Once you pull these clips out, the next thing that you will have to do is, now the lever on which your brake cable is connected, you will have to push it down like this. Now this bike has a completely different system, so watch carefully. Once you pull that down, by making use of a big screwdriver, you will have to pry out this brake shoes like this. This is not like the old scooter guys. This is a slightly advanced system. Now to pry the brake shoes out, it might be slightly difficult. So put a screwdriver inside like this and pull the brake shoe down like this and pry it out like this. So as you guys can see, my brake shoe is come out on one side already. Now go on the other side and pry out the brake shoes like this. So here my brake shoes are now completely separated from the bike. Now my brake shoes are not spoiled, but this bike was facing some brake issues, but the problem was with the brake cable. So the brake shoes are in good condition. Now how to replace the cable, that also I will show you on this channel. So see that you subscribe to the channel guys. This is your channel and it works on the love that you give me. So see that you like the video and remember to subscribe. Now while putting the shoes back, the lever you will have to keep in this position. Now watch carefully. It is even marked with a yellow line here, as you guys can see, where the position should be. So this bike is designed very nicely for the mechanics. I absolutely love to work on this bike guys. So now clean this area here with petrol, and the new brake shoes that you get, see that you sand them with the sandpaper little bit, wash your hands, and then you can start to put back the new shoes. Now when you are putting the new brake shoes, you will have to put the spring back on the shoes. So put the spring back and join both the shoes. Once you join both the shoes, to put them back it is slightly tricky, but I will show you what worked for me. So first put the top shoe inside of the extension. The bottom shoe, don't put it inside now only. I'll show you what is to be done. This is a slightly different system. So tap on the shoe like this with a rod and it will go inside. Once it goes inside, now take the bottom shoe out completely like this. Now put it totally inside on the spring side and then place it on the extension on this side like this. Now it will not go inside easily like that. You will have to tap it with a hammer a little bit to put it inside. Now I don't know if there is any other better technique than this to put this brake shoes inside. By using this technique, my job was done. Now when you tap your hammer on the top brake shoe, that will also go inside. Now while tapping it with a hammer, see that you don't bang too hard and break the shoes completely. So it should be a slight tapping. Now here I have connected the brake cable already and I have already put the nut. Now when I press the brake lever, as you guys can see, everything inside here is working fine. So now it's time for the clips which we had taken out to put them back. Now if your brake shoes are not gone totally inside, then you will face difficulty to put these clips back in position. If your clip goes back in position very easily, it means that your brake shoes are gone inside properly. So put both the clips back, the top one and the bottom one. Here I am putting the bottom one, and once you put both the clips back, see that you press them and lock them properly. Now when you are done putting these clips, you are done replacing the brake shoes. Now put back your tire, put back the nut which was there on the tire. Also check if your tire is rotating properly after putting back the nut, and once you are done tightening the nut, see that you put that stainless steel cap back to finish it off. Then you can adjust the tightness of your brake by tightening and loosening the nut on the brake cable. So guys, I'm hoping that this video was useful to you. If you found this video useful, then see that you like and share with your friends and family. And if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then see that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you will not miss any of my future videos. Till then, this is Ryson signing out. Until we meet again.